Let us know about the best project in Naigaon by the name Great Western Mumbai. Now in this segment we bring you the latest updates of all the towers which has been in development. People were too curious to know about the same. Let us know the status gradually. This video shows Tower 6, 8, 10, Tower 13, 15 and Tower 16 construction update. So let us check the construction on complete plot.